Hello guys, Thomas Sadeko Productions back again with a tutorial video. So this tutorial video is on how to make Thomas engines out of paper. And not like any engines either. I mean, something like this. Yeah, that looks very impressive, filled with detail, as much detail as possible. So before we begin the tutorial, I just wanted to tell you that some parts of this tutorial are parts from the Duke of Sodor's paper engine tutorial. So yeah, go subscribe to him if you haven't already. I'll subscribe to him after I finish this tutorial. So yeah, here we go. Next, cut along the folded line. You should now have two smaller rectangles. Make sure to color one of your rectangles, just one of your rectangles, with a nice black texture on both sides. Fold your rectangle into thirds, and then test it on the ground like this, just so that one side isn't too up, like this one is, and one side isn't too down, like this one. If that is the case, trim up the bigger folded part out of these two, so that that side is equal to this side. On the other half of your paper, cut out two rectangles. They should also be colored black on both sides. Sorry guys, I made a mistake in one of my directions. If you color the entire cylinder black, that's perfectly fine. Just on another piece of rectangle paper, draw what the top is actually supposed to look like, and then tape that onto the top of the cylinder in the correct place.